I wanted to focus on something different. I wanted to focus on how can I help other people get what they want instead of getting what I want.
Well, one, having a phenomenal leader in Vic. Somebody who is caring, compassionate, really knowledgeable.
I believe that he really cares and he really wants everybody in the 4% group to succeed.
And he has provided us a lot of training and information where we have been able to succeed.
He gives us all the information that we need to be able to run our own business, to become independent.
He wants us to eventually leave the coop, fly away, and actually create our own, possibly create our own 4% group. So that's really exciting. He really wants us to be independent marketers where we can go out there and create our own destiny.
I knew that he was looking for people that were committed and dedicated and really wanted to accomplish, their goals and stuff. And I knew that he would be a good mentor.
This is one area that I've actually been fascinated for about 20 years, but I never really took action. So at this point, when I saw Vic, I thought to myself, it's time. And I made that decision, and here I am.
If you're watching this right now, that tells me, you're still searching. Maybe you're part of a network marketing company. Maybe you sell affiliate products. But I know you're probably still searching. Maybe you're frustrated. Maybe you're just completely overwhelmed with all the information that's out there.
The 4% vision and Vic's vision, it sold us immediately, and we knew this was the one place we could bring people in where they would truly succeed.
You get ready to go to bed at night at 11 o'clock and all of a sudden you go bing, 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 you look at your phone and Vic's there, say, hey guys, I got a message. That kind of thing.
It is really a safe environment, an environment where they can learn step by step until they build up their confidence, their own skills, and ultimately their multiple streams of income.
You've actually got to take action to succeed in anything that you do in life.
4% is because it's the 4%, because it's the notch above. I'm not the regular person. I want greatness, really, in anything that I do. There is the great ones. There's the 4 people out of the 100. Well, I want to be in that 4% group.
Give the 4% group a chance. I promise you, it's going to strip away all the fat of what you maybe experienced over the years, the overwhelm. It's going to point you in the right direction. And as I said in the beginning, we're really all about one thing. We're about results. And I know the 4% can change your life just the way it's changed mine.
Don't wait. Make the decision and do it now.